Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your phone auto locked after 1 minute not being operated. So the first thing you have to do, open your phone and let's jump into the settings part. If you cannot find these settings on your home screen, you just need to slide your home screen into the left side until you find an app library, and after that you just need to tap in the search button a setting, and after that you just need to click it to open it. So whenever you are in the setting part, you just need to scrolling down until you found display and brightness. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to go click this part, and now you just need to choose the duration of time that you want to set. For example, if you want to have like 1 minute after not operated, so you just need to go click this part, and now you just need to go back, and now you can see that the auto lock here already set for 1 minute. So whenever you are not operating your phone for 1 minute, your phone will automatically lock, so it can save your battery life. So that's the way how to make your phone auto locked after 1 minute. So if you find that this tutorial today is really useful for you, hopefully you can leave some comment, and subscribe into this channel.